Okay, today we're celebrating 50 years of Guhring in the UK. We're also celebrating 125 years of Guhring worldwide, but today is all about Guhring UK. We started here in 1973 with a small sales office, and we've developed into everything that you can see here, which is our UK manufacturing regrind facility, all the way through to our coating, PCD manufacture and relap manufacture. We've also got £5 million worth of stock here in the UK, so we can guarantee next day delivery. Today we're celebrating with all our customers, but we see them as partners really. Their success is our success as well, so if we all work together, we can all celebrate together.
Yeah, so we're honoured to be here today, and I've been asked to speak to talk about our relationship and partnership on Guhring's skills strategy for growth. We partnered with Guhring around 7 years ago, developing their engineering apprentices of the future. And I have to say, everybody that we work with have been phenomenal, really caring both professionally and personally about the apprentices' development. And I think they're seeing the benefits of that now. I think we saw a cohort of 14 million around here today, and they're going to be the future leaders in management and engineering. Yeah, the relationship between In-Comm and Guhring goes far beyond just a transactional partnership. It's a lot deeper than that. As a training provider, we have to fully understand their needs and wants for industry, and we have to support that. They sit on skills steering boards, they're technical partners to In-Comm, they help us develop curriculum, content that we further enhance our staff on, coming here for away days and technology days, to then to be able to deliver that information and content back to the apprentices.
Georgia, you're an apprentice with Guhring. What's your role here?
So at the moment I'm on the technical team, technical sales team. So I'm basically just dealing with customers on a day-to-day basis, getting drawings and quotes and putting on orders for everyone, making sure all the orders are correct.
What's the relationship between In-Comm and Guhring? Do they talk really well?
Yeah, well I have a tutor that comes in once a month. She comes in, speaks to everyone. Last time she came in, I gave her a tour, she met everyone, and she met Steve, who was my manager at the time, and we just went through all the criteria that I have to meet to actually get my qualification.
I started through an apprenticeship through college. I started out on the machines, and I found my way into the offices, to which has snowballed now into me looking after key accounts externally.
So you've basically done every job within Guhring?
A little bit, yeah.
But you're still here, so
yes.
What do you do now, sorry, was it?
So I'm external, I look after key accounts, so any issues with tooling, making sure deliveries come in, technical support with our tools at the customer.
We've been partners with Guhring for around 12 years or so now. They've been helping us and supplying tools for us to make all these kind of weird and wacky projects. So we brought in our corporate events system today. So we tour all around the UK doing corporate events, team building exercises. We do educational workshops in colleges, schools and universities, all about teaching STEM subjects through building robots. So Guhring have a really good comprehensive tool package. So we do predominantly 3, 4 and 5 axis CNC milling, through from really rough and ready prototypes through to some of the finest injection mold tools. So yeah, they have products for pretty much everything we do. They've been extremely helpful with troubleshooting and getting the cycle times and finishes right. So yeah, they've been brilliant.